Hey guys, so as you know, I've been working on my new desk area space, and I got a package in the mail of a thing I ordered for my new setup. Now these have been used in so many YouTube videos and other YouTubers' spaces because they just make audio better. And so that's what we got here, so let's open the box. So as you can see here, we have acoustic panels. Wait a minute. Hang on a second. Hang on, let me check that there's 12 here. Because I don't know if there's 12 here. If there's not 12 here, I'm gonna punch an Amazon employee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yay, we have 12. No Amazon employees have to be punched. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of cleaning since I have no other way to end the video.